Blake here again with 1517 to introduce you to one of our new songs. This coming Advent, we are launching a new free resource that is a sermon series and comes with a bunch of different accompanying resources. And for that sermon series, I've written this song here called Robed in the Clothes of the King. Each verse follows a different element of the series, and then we keep coming back to the same refrain, robed in the clothes of the King. It's a pretty easy song to play, just in key of G, and no capo or anything for this one. And here's how it goes. They were naked in the garden, covered in their shame. When the Father came and sought them, they hid and scattered blame. Since they tasted from the tree, the Father told them they must go. But before they left the garden, He'd covered them in clothes. A foretaste of the promise that one day they would be robed in the clothes of the King. And each verse continues like that with a tag at the end. I hope you enjoyed the song. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks.